I've been thinking about doing a video like this for a long time, and it's not to throw anybody under the bus, but I want to let you guys know, kind of like an insider secret about why some meme tokens will just take off to the moon, and there's going to be a lot of people left holding the bag. What does that mean? Losing their money. For every trade that is made, somebody buys and somebody sells. So ideally, you're buying at a low and selling at a high. It's impossible for everyone to win. It's almost a zero-sum game in a way. So some people are going to be able to get in low and then sell high. Why are we finding out about these hot meme tokens after it's too late, but it still looks like a good opportunity to get in? It's called chat room pumps. What is a chat room pump? Basically, a chat room, a group of people who talk about crypto, one leader who has the chat room, perhaps paid subscriptions like a Patreon or something. The one who has the chat room will also be an influencer who has a large audience. Now, this could be in the stock market on YouTube, say a YouTube channel that is stock market related, like how to day trade, or it could be a crypto channel on YouTube where somebody tells their audience that they're buying this crypto or that crypto. But the difference is that they're buying it early when the cryptocurrency just comes out. And what they will tend to do is buy maybe, I'm going to just say 10 different crap coins, and they're going to be priced at like literally a fraction of a penny. Or they might buy, $100 of 10 different tokens or $1,000 of 10 different tokens. And then they'll have it in their wallet, and then they will go into their chat room, their Patreon, or their YouTube membership group. So basically, people will pay a monthly subscription to have access to what that influencer or crypto channel YouTuber talks about and what they're buying. So now they know what that YouTuber just bought into. Now, here is where it gets interesting and very risky. So what do? Do you follow the YouTuber into the trade with the idea that they're going to tell their friends about it, you're going to tell your friends about it, so that you're in early, and then the price of the crypto pumps up. So this is called a chat room pump. It pumps up, and then you're hoping the influencer tells you before they sell out of their position, which they probably won't. Because what would be the point of that? Then everybody else goes and sells out, and then they're left holding the bag, not in their chat room. They will probably start liquidating their position, not in one big chunk because they don't want to crash it. They'll probably go in slowly, start liquidating, and then tell people they're liquidating within their chat room, within their Patreon, and then go and do YouTube videos while they're liquidating, saying, I'm in this token now. I think this token's going up. They may say they're selling out of the position. They may not. Now, the ones who are not paying to watch those videos are now excited. They're like, oh, hey, wait, this guy's talking about this crypto. Therefore, it's probably going to go up. But what they don't realize is that a chat room pump already happened and is occurring and winding down. So the people who are watching the videos are actually in too late. It's too late because they didn't pay to get into the Patreon. So they don't have insider information, but it still looks like it's running up, but that just might not last very long. And that's why a lot of meme tokens, I suspect, take off. Just a chat room pump. And if you're not in on the ground floor, just forget about it. And it's hard to tell where the ground floor is, because when a chart starts like really, really flat and it starts to go up a little bit, well, that may be the whole move. And it may have made some people millionaires, even though it's just that little bit up. But if you're new to the game and you're late to the dance, that little bit up might look like opportunity for it to go up like that, but it just won't. Now, they're not all chat room pumps. Sometimes just a lot of different people happen to buy into a certain token kind of early, nothing happens, and then it just sort of takes off without one influencer in it to start off with. Anything's possible in crypto, but this is, the chat room pump is the one thing you got to watch out for. And unfortunately, you might not know about it. So how do you go around this? maybe join a bunch of chat rooms and see what the influencer plans on buying if you want to play that game. But again, there's a lot of front running going on. And some people actually get accused of front running, especially in the stock market world. And especially if they're making promises that if you buy the token, the influencer got in and now is saying, well, if you get into it, you're going to make a lot of money. Well, that's pretty unethical to say, because nobody can say if they're going to make a lot of money. Probably will lose money. I think that'd be more ethical to say. Chances are you're going to lose your money. But when there's false hope, you got to look out for that. So chat room pumps, be careful in crypto. Unfortunately, it's all going on behind the scenes in closed chat rooms where they're paid membership. Who's ever in first is going to probably be out first too if they get their way. Meaning everybody else gets left holding the bag and buying crypto, which is actually on the way down, and then down, and then you're stuck with it. That's really kind of the truth behind a lot of meme tokens that pump up really quick and get very popular. And especially if they're a meme token about nothing. They say it like say in their white paper, this is a token that has zero utility and all this stuff. It's basically there to go up and come down. Now, don't get mad at me because I'm saying this. You guys know this. Some of you guys know this, but a lot of new people might not know this. Yes, some people will make money, but a lot will lose money too. I'm not putting down guys who do this in their chat room. Don't get me wrong. I'm not out to cause trouble, but I just want to say, here's the truth about it. I think you should know. Just pay attention to chat room pumps. Look that up if you want to know more about it. So you get a chat room, talk about the coin, you got into it, and then you want to get out of it, and then other people get into it and get out of it, and then new people come into the game, but it's too late. It's crashing down, but they think it's going up. All right, guys, if you like my videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and remember, none of this is financial advice.